Hi there, I'm Christine Zips. If it's true that when the student is ready, the teacher will appear, I just had this play out in my life recently when Associate Professor Olle Johansson agreed to do a recorded conversation with me, and we are excited to bring it to you soon. It's currently in the edit process, but we just covered a whole gamut of topics related to this subject of health impacts from EMF radiation. And I'd like to share a few of these with you now on this list. You'll get an idea that there's just a lot to talk about in this very important topic. So we look forward to sharing this with you soon. And to make sure you don't miss it, click on the subscribe button and you'll receive a notification when it's been posted. Thank you very much for your time. And we look forward to more sharing with you soon. Bye for now.